Hello and welcome to our video, which will give you an overview on the updates made to eSpatial in our latest release to enhance your user experience using our Territory Manager. We now have a new zip code dataset available for use. This new dataset will be of higher quality and will be more regularly updated than our existing zip code tabulation area dataset. It will be available to use in your maps and territories, allowing for a more current analysis of your data. Also, don't worry if you prefer to use the zip code tabulation areas. Our existing ZCTA dataset will still be available for use in your maps. We have also updated our US counties dataset in territories to include FIPS codes, as US county names are not unique identifiers across the US. This also means you will need to have a FIPS code column in your territory dataset if you wish to create territories from file using US counties, as your FIPS code will now be used to link your dataset with our US counties boundary layer. We have improved the way you assign boundaries such as zip codes and counties. Our new selection and assignment tool allows you to bulk add boundaries to areas and see a summary of the changes, as well as a detailed outline of the boundaries being moved, the balance change, and the accounts that are being allocated or reallocated to your selected territory. The Selection and Assignment panel also gives you the option to select and deselect which areas are transferred to your selected territories, as well as accounts or leads if you have added balances. As before, you can assign or reassign boundaries to your territories using the plus icons when you hover over the desired boundary. Now, when you click on the plus icon, the Selection and Assignment panel will appear, giving you a summary of the changes you are making and the boundaries and accounts within the area you have selected. Once you are happy with your selection, choose which territory you wish to assign these boundaries to from the drop-down menu and select Reassign. To assign and reassign boundaries using the Select Areas tool, click on the Select Areas icon in the Territory panel and begin clicking to draw your area. Then either double-click or select the tick icon to confirm the area. Like reassigning using the plus icons, the Selection panel will appear where you can see a summary of the changes you are making and the boundaries and accounts within the area you have selected. Finally, select which territory you wish to assign these boundaries to from the drop-down menu and select Reassign. We are pleased to announce that the frequently requested functionality of Undo and Redo is available when creating your territory alignments. You can now undo up to 3 of your last made territory changes, such as adding and removing areas from territories. Another highly requested feature that we have implemented as part of our new release is a configurable territory panel. This allows you to choose which balances to display in your territory panel and whether they are displayed as your average percentage, the exact count value in the territory, or the count change compared to the last saved point. You are able to sort your territories based on your highest or lowest values, and you can also move and hide the columns so that you can view those most important to you. Users that have purchased our territory optimization feature can now avail of the following changes. We have expanded the datasets which can be used to create optimized territories. Previously, users were limited to US zip code tabulation areas and US counties. We've expanded our selection to include the new zip code 2021 dataset, as well as new datasets of UK postcode sectors, districts and areas, and Canadian forward sortation areas and Canadian census divisions. It is now also possible to create optimized territories on up to 3 levels of territory hierarchies. We have created a new balance option called Work Index. This can be used combined with other balances to create the best territory alignment model that works best for your business. This metric reflects the amount of effort required to service each territory and is calculated based on call frequency, call duration, and travel time. With this balance, you can set the call duration and frequency while eSpatial will provide the travel time. Previously, only users that had purchased optimised territories had access to our Fill Gaps feature. We are pleased to announce that this is now available for users that have purchased our Advanced Territory features. A new feature available to users with our Advanced Territory features is the ability to generate territory centres. This allows you to generate a point dataset that calculates the centre point of your territory based on either the geographical centre of your territories or weighted centres based on your balanced data. Thank you for watching our how-to video. If you have any questions, you can contact us by emailing help@espatial.com or by selecting the chat button to the bottom left-hand corner of your screen when on our website or logged into eSpatial.